transforming raw steel into the world's most comfortable and versatile sleep surface. Join us as we explore Leggett & Platt's Comfort Core innerspring story. Starting with a green recycling process, scrap comes into Sterling, Illinois, where it is loaded into the furnace. The molten material is tapped through the furnace and poured into copper billet molds. The billets are cut and sent through the cooling bed, then go into a reheat furnace and are brought up to temperature for reduction into rods. The rods are brought from Sterling to the wire mill in Carthage. There they are cleaned and run through a high-pressure rinse. The clean rods are sent through a series of dies to draw them down to the finished wire diameter.
Our Comfort Core coiling process begins with a roll of wire from our supplier here in Carthage, Missouri. We'll take that roll of wire along with a roll of fabric and run the raw materials through the coiling machine.
As the fabric enters into the coiler, the fabric is folded over and the fabric is welded together ultrasonically to form basically a tube. The finished coil is then inserted into the tube, then the fabric is welded together to encase that coil into a solid pocket.
Once the coils come out of the coiling machine, they are layered into a basket and then transported to the assembler. The assembler will pull the coils from the basket, cut the coils to length, apply hot melt glue to the side of the coils, and compress each coil into a finished innerspring unit.
Leggett & Platt's innovative machinery can specify positioning and zoning to allow for a variety of Comfort Core mattresses. The high-speed, fully automated process is completely owned by Leggett & Platt and provides maximum customization and quality control. Comfort Core is the industry's leading fabric-encased innerspring with a line of 7 variations.
We produce Comfort Core products that fit needs at multiple price points. It's our fastest growing bedding category, and that obviously shows that it's being well accepted by both the consumer, the retailer, and the bedding manufacturers.
Combining Comfort Core with a specialty sleep material like foam or gel can take customization a step further with the Hybrid Mattress, one of the fastest growing segments in the bedding industry. The rise of the term hybrid can be seen in everything from cars to golf clubs to pets. It has now become the common language used to define springs plus specialty foam.
So anything can be a hybrid, right? We know that we can make a hybrid mattress product with any variation of an innerspring plus something. So we wanted to make Comfort Core really different and special. So if you're going to say there's a hybrid, we wanted to go to the very top of the hybrid, right? So we said it's the ultimate hybrid, and that's what we kind of went with. We knew when we launched Ultimate Hybrids with Comfort Core that we needed to be different and come to market with something fun and something unique that would break through the clutter, and so we did something very aggressive and somewhat risky, and we went with making a rap music video about the category and about the product.
Stick with us and you'll get rewarded.
'Cause I'm so gentle and I'm so supportive.
Hybrid is where the magic is.
And we just killed a song about mattresses.
In the Get Hybrid video, we poked some fun at the visco foam products out in the marketplace today. A lot of consumers don't like sleeping in them because they complain of sleeping hot. Some of them don't like sleeping on them because they feel like they're sleeping in a hole, or it's hard to roll over in the product. But what makes the Ultimate Hybrid products so different and unique is that you get the best of both worlds. So with innerspring, you have a product that can sleep up to 28% cooler just because it's an open coil and air can flow through. Plus, again, Comfort Core adds comfort in the support structure, so that's unique. And so you take the great qualities and comfort that those other things can provide, and you put them together with innerspring, and you got something great. And that's what we wanted to promote.
Thank you for joining us on the journey from raw steel to the comfortable and diverse Comfort Core line of innersprings and their inclusion in the Ultimate Hybrid.